How to fix no SIM card detected in iPhone. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. If you have inserted your SIM card on your iPhone but you're still getting the no SIM card detected on your iPhone, this is what you do. First, you head over to your settings, then scroll down till you find General, tap on it, then scroll down all the way. There you'll find Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone, then tap on Reset. Then what we'll do is we'll reset our network settings. Tap on Reset Network Settings, and after you've done that, check if your problem's been fixed. If not, use a SIM ejector to simply take out your SIM tray and again put the SIM back in. After you do that, your problem should get fixed and your SIM card should be detected. If not, there might be a hardware related issue which you can go get checked and fixed. And that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye.